This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Crystal Growowski. Why wait to build when you can move right into this practically new Peachtree floor plan in sought-after Eagle Creek? If you are looking for a home with space, this is it. As you arrive, you will note the pond front view, so no direct front neighbors. Upon entering this home, you will enjoy the light open space downstairs. This is an open floor plan concept. Your upgraded kitchen provides a wonderful sized island, built-in oven and microwave as well as a cooktop. Great cabinet space, and the island has room for bar seats. The family room is a great size and triple slider doors lead you out to the covered lanai. The primary suite is downstairs and extremely spacious and offers a tray ceiling for an elegant touch. Primary suite also includes a large walk-in closet, and ensuite features a large walk-in shower with a built-in bench, dual sink vanity and wonderful lighting. The laundry room is amazing here. You have a laundry sink, great shelf space for sorting, etc. Upstairs you will find your 4 retreat rooms. All are great sizes with room for desk, etc. This home has the 5th bedroom option, which provides you a second primary suite upstairs that includes an ensuite with walk-in shower and dual vanities as well as a walk-in closet. This room can be used as a media room or extra bonus space for exercise room/office, etc. The cellars have built an Ozone operated pool with LED lighting and built out extra brick paver deck area. The covered lanai is plumbed already for an outdoor kitchen. Your backyard is fenced with an aluminum style fence to secure the pets and provides for a safe play area. The owners installed beautiful custom shades/window treatments throughout the home. Eagle Creek is a wonderful golf and guard-gated community. Residents will enjoy pools, recreation center, fitness center, playgrounds, dog parks, multipurpose field, tennis/pickle ball courts, basketball courts and miles of sidewalks for walking, jogging. Eagle Creek Golf Club Orlando was designed by world-renowned golf course architects Ron Garl and Howard Swan. It is an extraordinary 18-hole, 7,200-yard, par 73 championship course with 5 sets of tees for golfers of all skill levels and more than 60 bunkers, and dramatic bulkheads are reminiscent of those found in Scotland and England. Eagle Creek is also home to the Henry Brunton High Performance Residential Golf Academy. You are minutes to Nemours Children's Hospital, the VA Hospital, UCF Medical School, Boxi Park, the USTA, KPMG and so much innovation. Zoned for great public schools and minutes to the 417, 528 and Orlando International Airport. Drive to downtown Orlando is approximately 25 minutes. Call today for your private showing of this beautiful home. For more information, review the details below or contact Crystal Growowski at 407-462-7736.